Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am tired. So I am just making this opening and you'll see the whole upstairs remodeling. I just posted the bathroom, that's done. They just got supplies to do the whole flooring. 1, 2, 3 rooms plus the landing plus the stairs. It was a lot of work. We had to pull stuff out, push things here, push things there. The people did help a lot also, but after they leave, you have to put things back, and it was a lot. I am tired. I am going to rest. I'm going to edit this so I can put it up. And that is that. That is that. I am tired. I am going to rest. I know when it's time to rest, and it is time for me to rest. Yep. We are in getting ready for construction. I am cleaning up, taking everything out of the rooms because the floor has to be done for in the morning. So this is what I've done. I've emptied out the floor and they're all over here. Everything is over here and in the bathroom. Now this is the other room. We still have this here. We'll do that in the morning when my son comes home. And so far so good. This is the bed. We have the bed standing. We clean everything off. So far, so we're just waiting for in the morning so they can do all of that. This is a lot of work. Everything is like packed. We have things packed everywhere. Everywhere. We have things everywhere. Even in the bathroom, I had to stack stuff up. Because tomorrow is another day. All of this will be done. Work is getting done. Work. What a mess. Coming along. This is where I used to film, but everything is moving out, so we are coming along. This is where I used to film. Everything is coming out. We are coming out. Cleaning everything so we can recap it. Progress. Now it's all empty. Whew, lots of work. I did lots of work this morning. But it's all empty. They're gonna take all this carpet out and they're gonna replace it. Oh, it's gonna be nice when it's done because then I'll be able to organize it better so I can sit and film better. But this is it. I'll turn around to show you the other side. Still have all of this here to clean, but that's all it is left to be taken care of. This is the progress on the room. All the carpet is out. They took all the carpet out. Oh, this morning is busy. All the carpet is out now. No carpet. So the next step is to prep it, put down padding, and then cap it. I'll show you that next. Okay, remember this is what the steps look like. Now this is what they're looking like. They're not done yet. You see the tape is there, so we gotta be careful on it. It's coming along. They still have to put baseboard, but this is coming along so nicely. So nicely. I can see my shadow. Okay, now this is the landing. And they still have to put baseboard and everything, but this is what it looks like. This is the job. See, I have stuff everywhere. I have stuff in the bathroom. I have stuff, a room full of stuff. All my makeup is in these bags. I had no more boxes. This is the room still, but that'll be done tomorrow. Yep, but the London is looking good. Let's see what's in this though. Wow, it's done over here. Woo-hoo-hoo! This I am excited for because this is where I film. This is it, waiting for baseboard. And remember I took a picture of it the last time from here? This is it. It's all done. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Now I just have to put everything back. Once they put the baseboard, I'll be able to put everything else back. Because after the baseboard, I can move things back so they can do this room and then this room. Okay, this room still, see, stuff stacked up on top of each other. We can't do anything. Bed, just waiting. Once, see, everything is stacked up. This is coming along so nicely. I am telling you, this is like, whew, OMG. Well, this is where we are now with construction. Let's hope it's done soon. This is the stairs. It is all together. I have 12 more hours to go before I can take the tape off from them. This is the rest. But things are looking really good. I'll be taking out the tape. This is all my filming equipment up there on the landing. And this is everything all over still. I have to go fix it. Everything. Well, let's see what the rooms are looking like now. These are the rooms. See, the room is done, so things are coming back in place. The room is done also. Things are getting put back in place. Little by little. Gotta fix all the cords and all the wires and fix everything back. But we are coming together. Okay, so now there's all my stuff in boxes. All my stuff still up in boxes. All of this still in boxes. Now I gotta clean. I gotta definitely clean. I gotta clean everything. I have to pull everything out so I can get space to start organizing stuff again. But this is where we are. Morning YouTube, another day, another early rise to clean up. This is what all the garbage that they took off, all carpets and everything is waiting to be picked up to take to the trash. All the stairs are done. The last thing will be done later on next month is to paint the banister to match. But right now, the stairs are complete. This is so nice. I love it. It's done. It's finished. Everything is finished. That is it. Take a look, the London. Everything else will be, they have a place. Everything is going somewhere. But just finished. These are the rooms. Remember the rooms. It's all done. They start putting back their stuff. This is the other room. Also putting back their stuff. Getting things set up piece by piece. Things are so together now. It is so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice. This is the hallway that was empty. And this is what it now looks like. Everything is now put away. I cover everything. Yeah. Things are in place. Things are in place. Things are in place. Things are in place. It is so nice. This is the hallway. It's all done. I came across some pictures. This is one album. I came across lots and lots of albums. And I was looking through them. Came across old pictures and albums. Came across some more albums. There are so many of them. I didn't realize I had that many albums. I came across these albums. I came across this big one right here. But I have lots and lots of pictures in here. I cover most of them because I don't want them to get dirty, so I have none cover them. But this whole wall is covered. But like I say, when they're working, I make sure I cover them so they don't get dust. But that's what this is behind this wall. Pictures, pictures, pictures. Pictures in here. All of that is a whole drawer full of pictures. It's done. The work is done. I am happy. The work is done. The work is done. The work is done. Oh my God. I worked so hard trying to put everything together because, you know, Thanksgiving is coming up. So trying to get everything together so we can sit and relax and eat. But it's done, and I thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And remember, the word for today is pity. Do you have pity for yourself, or do you have pity for others? And remember, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Bye.